Alright, so welcome back to the channel everyone, and to the last couple of persons who subscribed, thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. Now this is the part 2 where I did tell you some me care back where Anna trick her mother and tell her mother for come for her, and then she just never turn up and make her mother pay all 18,000 just for come and take her up, but she da try to scam her mother, you understand? So here Anna wicked now. This is the part 2 for the part 1. So please, if you just started the channel, please may beg you subscribe. It's not taking off to subscribe, just touch it. Even if you're not interested, you can still subscribe. But whether you choose to subscribe or not, thanks for the views.
We are sister, and because she draw we are sister, she said my brother get upset and box her. And from that, me and my brother catch up big. Me and my brother, my father, everybody catch up. Me end up have to come out of them place. Me end up have to come out of the cook shop. Me end up have to left the cook shop. Ask the people them at Falkland about the night there. Me and my brother, my father, everybody catch up. And my bigger brother take me on. Up to my bigger brother take me on the night there. Because when me hear say them box her, and she they tell me already say my brother kiss her upon her forehead, and now me hear say my brother box her. You see me? And she said to me, say, Mommy, I want you one like either Zoe or one of them can something come down in room. So Anna say I protect her sister. So when I realize say my brother box my daughter now, I run on and I start deal with the whole family, and them say me have to come out of them place, because I feed them place and my father cook shop and my father building. And because I take on the whole family now, them say me have to lift up, me have to left. Me end up go down and chill and go look one place to stay. You see me? Me end up go a Chilani because when time Anna get pregnant, Anna end up dash away before me even come. Before me even come back home, Anna dash away the belly. And when me come back home now, she started to tell me who a trouble her and what really go down. Me did vex with her because me tell her if she keep the belly. Me tell her if you wait till me come. You understand me? And between me come, she end up throwing away. She make my brother baby mother gear pill and dash away. She in the community and she said the girl them a trouble her in the community and the boy pity them a trouble her in the community because she sleep with more than one of them. So that the boy that sleep with her, the boy go tell that the boy that sleep with her, he go tell his friend. You understand me? And she used to trust one girl up there, one Cassie girl, and follow the girl, and the girl is a bad girl. You get what me I say? And the girl never did like her, because anything what she do, the girl go back go tell the boy them. When me come home, she look at me and tell me say she can't walk on the road and she feel shame. Me take up all of me things them and me go Chilani. Me go down a Chilani go catch a people yard and me a try find somewhere for we live. When me down a Chilani now, me a dance go. When me there a Chilani, I sell pussy. Me not dance when me there a Chilani. Me make sure me hold this today. Me a hold it today now. Me pack them up and me carry them and me go back on the road go dance. And me get one piece of place and a scotch me catch the day. This freaking boy wears a scammer end up like half Anna. Queng did the Queng our friend. Come me catch a Queng yard. You see me? Anna look a girl. The man a big man fear, but the boy a scammer. The boy drive big bike and big car. Queng as my friend end up a tell Anna and a shooter. Anna say the boy like him. Every day Queng can tell Anna say oh the boy like him and oh the boy want to mind him. That the time that the same club where me dance, the boy there with the bartender. And the boy have him baby mother. Me turn to Anna, me say to Anna when me see say the boy a drive close. When me see say the boy a move close to Anna, me say Anna, I use him, I go use you. Him no want nobody. One day Anna run come down come tell me say the boy I go buy her phone. Mommy, he say I go buy me one Samsung phone. Me say Anna, not until you see the phone in your hand. I style him and style you. Me say baby girl, I tell you things to get in your panty. Me say them the boy they don't want nobody. Me I tell you about the boy have a piece of crew. When him a come to a big bike, Chris car. You see me? Them time that the boy are one of the biggest scammer in the community. Right? Me look at Anna, me say to Anna, say, Anna, him now go buy you no phone, a lie, I tell him, me say, Anna, use the boy, I use him head pan you. Right? Plus the boy have him baby mother, plus in the bar when me work, the boy there with the bartender. See me? I you know say Anna keep on resent me and friend up with Queng. No, one night about 3 o'clock in the night I go to 4 o'clock. Me day in the house asleep. Me want to no call Jagga. Jagga did me want to no call Jagga. About 4 o'clock in the night, me could have feel the cold breeze. Me could have feel the cold breeze a coming at the house. And I sneak out of the house in the middle night. And the boy park up him car up at the ackee tree up at the road in front of the yard. And I sneak out of the house in a middle night and go up there, go sleep in the car with the boy and go there with the boy. I wake up in a middle night before the morning 4 o'clock and come out of the house. And when I come out of the house and I up there in the car with the boy, well lie down in a back seat. A jag out her nasty blood cleat. Oh, she no miss. She miss to tell her that the part there. She miss to tell her that the part there say me jag her out of the back seat of the car. And me take her and jag her go down at the yard. Right? She miss to tell her that the part there. Now listen to me. Betty the morning, me and Queng catch up. Me and Queng catch up because a Queng come call her out of the house to go to the boy. She and Queng part together like this. And the boy give Queng money because Queng used to collect money from Western Union for the boy. So the boy use Queng to get to Anna. When the boy don't sleep with her, the boy no give her no phone. The boy no give her no phone. Phone the boy promise her she no get no phone. The morning when time I wake up, I go and I jar one piece of coconut bunker. You know the coconut limb? I jar the coconut limb. And I wheel the blood clot coconut limb and get some blood clot liquid. And when she drop a ground, I just still take a coconut limb and get some blood clot liquid. You hear me tell you, all when she run up and down in the yard, I run up and down and lick out her blood. Now, remember me tell you because I catch her in the car with the man. And I tell her, say she shouldn't do it because I use the boy, I use her. And Anna go come here so no one say, me sell her to man. Me want to no call Jagga. So once I want to no call Jagga, I want Jagga come here so, come talk about what they not going down there when time where they live, down at Chilani. And I have a heart to say me, which as well me and the boy are never friend. Me never talk up to that the boy there. When me live at Chilani, me take one table, ask Queng mother. Me take one table and me put it out a road and me buy 6 Heineken, 6 beer, 6 Jagan, 1 pack of Cravenier, 1 pack of Mataran. Because me did not sell my body in the club, me did not dance in the club. And because me have all of the pitney them did so me I say, boy, me no want them to know say me a dance go. And me take a chair, a table, and me put it on the roadside. And me buy 6 Heineken, 6 Guineas, 1 pack of Cravenier, 1 pack of Mataran, Whistler. And me on the roadside and me start do look hustling because me I say me no want me pity them know say I don't get some day in a club a dance to feed them. You hear me tell you? And when me come say one big man see me on the roadside and see say me a hustle. And the man say him have one bar. And the man say him have one bar up the road if me want run the bar. And me say yes. And the man say me if you come up at the ball ground, when me go up at the ball ground now, the man comes and boop and say to me say, him a go put in a stocking at the bar. Any little thing what me want put in the bar for myself, me can't do it. And me said okay then because I better than none. But here me get the bar now, the same girl when he am Queng started to go to the man. And a bad mind me I tell the man say, oh she should I get the bar, me shouldn't get the bar. You see me? Right? So the whole of them start fight against me now because them say the man give me the bar pan the ball ground. And I'm didn't run off the bar pan the ball ground. You understand what me I say? So from me get the bar pan the ball ground, the whole of them start fight against me. You see what me I say? Right? Me did it, I was there in the community, my sister them start fight me, the same girl when you Queng start fight against me. And you know what me do? Me have to take time and pack up my things them and leave. From the moment me get the bar, me not know if I live. Cause me did live down a Queng yard, the same Queng when Anna follow back, the same Queng when Anna follow and go in at the man car. Me end up having left from out of the community again. You understand me? So Anna go say, me, Annie, and me ask you how much money me take from a man for sell you. Right? Remember, you know, we left come down there because you lose a baby, you know, you dash with the pitney, you know, you dash with the belly, you know, before me couldn't even come, you know. That's why I take you from the community, you know. Right? So how could me take you and carry you go down to our next place so you get a fresh start? If you get a fresh start and me I go take you and sell it to a man. Me I go take you and sell it to a man when me take you and lock down when me have. And me carry you if you go get a fresh start and me I go take you and sell you to a man when me know say the boy is a scammer. You like the boy because the boy cute and you love off the boy. You love off the boy. No matter when nobody tell you something, nobody can tell you nothing. Cause me look pan you and tell you if you're not there with the boy because the boy don't want nobody. You understand? And you go come pan you so come tell lie pan me. My father Vin touch you. My daddy touch you. And I know we this a ear say my daddy. My father never touched me yet. I know what my brother do to me. I know exactly what my brother do to me. But my father never ever try a thing like that with me yet in a life. You never look at me yet and tell me, say, my daddy, Anna, when you look at me and tell me, say, my daddy touch you, Anna. When you ever look at me and tell me, say, my father, Vin. And I never hear nobody call no allegation like that for my father, you know. And if my father do that, you know, me I tell you the truth, you know. Me no wrong for look at my father, make you know say me wrong. By the way, I would have lock up my daddy if him do that to you, you know. But Anna, when you ever tell me, say, daddy, when you ever tell me, say, my father ever do that to you, you look at me and you tell me, say, my brother kiss you by your forehead. And that you look at me and tell me. You tell me say my brother's offer you $100 for washing plate. And that you look at me and tell me say. Right? You say when you done wash your plate. Right? And you leave out of the room. Right? My brother kiss you on your forehead. And next afterward like him I go try kiss you on your mouth. And you say you run out of the room. You come home and you tell me. You say, mommy, uncle kiss me. Me say, where? You saying kiss you upon your forehead. And afterward, he might try kiss you upon your lip. Right? When you look at me and tell me that, you understand me? You show me some message off of Facebook. That means he didn't text you. And you show me the message off of Facebook. When you show me the message, me take myself and me go to my daddy. Me go to my father and me call my father. I'm show my father the whole of the message when my brother texts you. I'm tell my father say my brother end up kiss you and give you $100. And my father jam my brother up and deal with my brother right in front of me and you that day. You understand what I say? So Anna, what you are talking about? Hey, you turn on this, turn on the comment section. Turn on this blur not yes so. Turn it on. Turn it on. So because you're prank. So because your prank goes out. So because you and your thieving man come out yesterday for come prank people. And your prank goes south pan you. You come out now and tell lie pan people and you use back certain things and I fix it up and I tell lie. So because you come out yesterday for come yam the people their money and for prank them and tell them lie. And you know work out for you. You come out now and started to ball about rape and all different type of sinking. Whole news. From last year you come up with all of them lie. From last year you walk and tell lie pan people. Just to get views so your man can yam food. So when you're hungry I buy to know, you come tell lie pan people, you is a look a liar girl. Look at me, don't want to hear from nobody, you know. Me don't want to hear from nobody, you know. Me don't want nobody come up in the box, come tell me nothing, you know. And that me I tell you, you know. Right? You is a look a liar girl. So because hungry I bite you and your man, you come out here yesterday come pull prank. You make me paying over $17,000 for taxi driver. And when you realize that your prank goes south, and you know make the money where you want to make, you come out and now can start tell lie. But who and who rape you from, who and who do this from, who and who do that to you. Hey girl, is a wicked blood clot girl. You. Make the people them go and believe you. Me no care no more. Me no business. You say if you could have come out and come tell the people them the real story where Red Answer do to you. If you could have come out and come tell the people them the real story Red Answer do to you. Good girl, you'd have make money off of that. I promise you. Come out and come tell the people them the real truth where Red Answer do to you. Baby girl, talk to me.
You have to stop make Anna dry out. You know it's truth. Anna just did this because I read dance. Because he planned what she did make a prank. Just because he involved. I didn't know say you gotta always talk the truth. And just because them thing flap now, them gonna dry off you talk and them get the views that them want. So people are gonna come out, the gifters are gonna come out and reach out to her. That is what Anna looking right now. You give her that baby love. Yeah, give her that. I lie, Anna tell never grandfather look none away. Grandfather never look none away. Anna tell lie.
Think of daddy.
Okay. You see, you love Anna so much that until you send a man go for Anna, Anna never turn her back for her dance. Look at Anna do stand up with dance because she know what she do. A woman will love a man that much hurt them mother. You never you feel sorry for them. Don't feel sorry for her. Never feel sorry for Anna. Anna sorry for you?
Go for Jagga. Go for Jagga, can't come.
Jagga not there. We not making contact long time. Jagga not there, mommy.
You never did it there. Jagga, you remember I tell you when we did there, Chilani? Me need Jagga. Jagga did it down there with we. Lando did it, but Lando move on and gone. But a Jagga alone, the only person can contact with Guana Chilani when time Anna did there with the boy. You remember time I tell you about the boy when did that scammer? And what she go do with the boy?
Yes. Anna mash up her own life, you know. Anna mash up her own life and follow friend company and sleep with many men and blame it on you because she couldn't accept what she do. Anna mash up her life and I blame you.
Well, Anna did that, Chilani, she run away.
I remember Zoe did down that, you know.
Zoe did that, Chilani too.
Zoe did down
when she did that, Chilani, she run away, this scammer boy got in that car and I'm making like that, just search, Anna.
Zoe, you remember Quen Quen?
Yeah.
Who and Quen Quen are did friend?
Anna, Quen Quen.
Quen Quen. Remember Quen Quen and his mother where we did live with? Who and Quen Quen are did friend?
Repeat it.
Who and Quen Quen are did friend?
Anna, Quen Quen.
Anna said wicked Quen Quen, Anna and Quen Quen are the good friend. And it's scammer boy where Anna did like half real bad. You understand? Me need your brother. Your brother more older. I want your brother for come here so contact what happened down there. Me need your brother for contact. He make your boy promise her phone. And say he might go sleep with her, he might go buy her phone and the boy sleep with her.
Remember? Anna sleep with him and forget money. What Anna tell like why Anna want you to be the victim. No, Anna want to play the victim and say you are and make she sleep with people.
Alright. Remember time we did a Chilani and we did in the night and we couldn't find Anna nowhere in her house. And Anna did there with his camera boy in her car make you touch up and down on the road and look for her.
Alright. 4 o'clock in the night when them she pulled the door and left in the middle of the night. By the way, before the morning when we come out of the ackee tree, we end up finding her. Jagga have to end up follow me if we go look for her and me jog her from out of the car. You understand me? Let me ask you a question. Wenji, how much time me end up have to pack up and go somewhere else go live because of Anna?
Go 5 times.
Okay. What happened? What she said she can't do?
Time we have to pack up Anna there with fire man with the fire station and man that go expose him and him sitting there.
Yeah, I wait till they did go.
Yes, Alex now he run away again. Because Odien and him sitting there, we have to go Linstead. And next thing Lindsay go there with man again. And we have to move from Lindsay, come back and watch it.
And the man, when they return and I look up there, some tough kid, big old man, could have been my daddy.
I know Anna turned to me and say, you better me there with big man because we'll get things. That Anna told
And she turned to me and said to me, say, but oh, black man sick them more stronger and tall.
Anna would keep going.
No way. No, baby, don't, mama, don't.
Mommy,
Don't.
Mama, you're pressure.
You know, I can't understand. I can't understand why Anna come out here come call daddy name. Daddy.
This is what
No, mommy, remember you did used to live with me and daddy Vin. Remember I used to live there because you did a running shop, so.
live down there.
So you did have to make me stay, we did have to stay there, Daddy Vin. But Daddy Vin never put the one thing. I only somebody make can say we never put an argument towards in grandpa them. Daddy.
But me left you with daddy. You remember one time me left you with daddy and daddy they put the bed and watch TV together?
No, me did the panic and I watch corn fingers song with Daddy finger.
So me ask you a question. There's any party now in the life where daddy ever try to look pound anywhere or touch you know?
No.
So I don't go come out your son.
Wait, but me did tell you yesterday. Me warn you yesterday, me tell you yesterday. Last time me warn you.
Start about it. Why Anna never said about this last year?
Last time me warn you. I broke her hungry, she hungry, make sure I look something for you now. Yes,
you know, say she wicked maker. You remember one time when she tell like Redans, me and Redans talk about Jagga molest Anna. You remember the argument there?
Yeah.
I remember the time when we go to her and I said to her, I said, Anna, sit down, talk to me. Me say, when Jagga ever molest you, how would this hear this from Redans? Me say, talk to me, cause Redans come to me with argument and act like say he want go pa media go talk say, oh Jagga molest Anna. So me turn to him and me say to him say, but go to Anna now. And me say, Anna, right in front of Redans, you know, me say, Anna, when Jagga ever molest you, that's Redans can tell me say XY. Anna turn to Redans and say, my youth, what kind of foolishness that? What kind of lie that you tell Pam me? Mommy, not turn up.
That we did up Croc City. We did over house.
When we there Croc City? When we there Croc City? You don't remember?
Me remember that time we did that Croc City over house and they did a talk and then she did everything already and I say I saw she talking.
So mommy now.
Yeah, that's what me I say. And when me keep on ask her, me I say, Anna, when your brother ever put his hand on you, you know say Anna and Jagga best friend, the two of them grew up together. Anna and Jagga grew up like this. When them little bit of sudden grew up, they will tear down your house and feel like they will. Okay. Now Anna and Jagga used to go party at night time and thief when time they reach all. Jagga reach 16. And Jagga the first man they care out Anna. The two of them used to par, so I saw the two of them used to par.
Just up and share each other team go.
I know, but for the person who talk about said the child live what they learn. She Anna want her own way. Anna want man.
No, Anna want
somebody for blame for all the man that she are taking in her life.
Anna left
one
her next thing blame me mother.
She got there with man at construction site and the man literally left her the next day. What are you talking about? Anna want her own way. Anna want man. She don't want no mother love no nothing. She want man.
Hey, Una just left them people. Them people are willing to listen to any and everything.
Mommy,
you know, you know them people are not understand. Hold on, the ladies. Hold on, them. Yesterday it was about Redans putting out Anna. Right? Yesterday it was about Redans putting out Anna. Me go there now and me say, alright, me help because me go here. She say she wants somewhere for her baby to stay. And me I say, okay then. I'm a grandbaby, right?
Me tell you last
time. Me money and go end up say me I go get car.
Me tell you, yeah. You know, me tell you last night, you know. Me tell you last night you go tell me about to stop and you have conversation later. Me tell you say once you take up Marga dog and feed them and fat them up, then go turn on and bite you.
Now me fat up this one.
You see, once you have bridges with people and you know say they ungrateful, burn the bridge with them. Me want you last night and tell you about Annie. I said the bridge you need to cut off and burn.
You see, because they come out with the prank. Then come out with the prank, you know. That's why she didn't beg you $100 and they come like a beg, she didn't beg you $100 for buy something for her and Redans and make her intervene. You see me? So they come like say the prank no both the prank no both sides.
You know say the prank.
The prank another to catch you people them alone to catch you.
Yes.
The one who speak louder than them to catch you and then catch you. See that?
Then catch you,
Then catch your good.
Because she knows say if I go run back.
And next so she
just
bring up
use it.
something else now what even makes sense, not even real. To draw you out.
Every day Anna get up and
She
say
know your weakness.
every day Anna get up and say somebody touch him. Everybody will come running and touch you. You lucky say
Everybody looking what come around.
every say woman fit and get tell them a woman a girl and if them a man and a girl and if you say they ain't touch her, and if you don't touch him, you touch him. Because every day everybody grow on him, she say they ain't touch
Touch
her.
him and
I like her, I decide that. Nobody now look at that way, they should not all that fear go on, so. Every second, you know,
You remember one time she go up and Miss Cynthia didn't help her and spend good money on her. She said Miss Cynthia man a touch her.
Jesus.
A real father come meet her. This is a real father at one touch her.
You say, yeah, you real father look him.
This is a real father look her. Her uncle come now and help her in our day. The man go give her one simple hug. Couple minutes and I say her uncle a look her.
Man say, and I say, man touch her too.
I say the man a touch her.
No man, no. He come like say everybody jump fishy. Anybody and I say one man, he come like him body part jump.
You understand what I say? So me not get it. You can't tell like on people. Me telling her from a little girl born from a younger age, you know. Mika, hold on there. When Anna did younger, hold on man. When Anna did younger. When me say when time Anna younger, when me who me say I go send
jail. You say Anna go send me to jail.
From Anna baby me attack say Anna go send me to jail. Me no know how you da birth one pitney and you look on the pitney and say you know say you go send me to jail. For Anna born, me a look on Anna and say you see you go send me to prison. Sitting about you. You know when me find out say I go send me to prison, I one day me full in belly, you know. Me tell her say eat till him belly bang, you know, till him belly shine, you know. And ex-police a run me down, you know. I mean, I'm a panty and my bros, you know. I'm a run go over Miss Joyce yard, you know. I'm a run go up underneath Miss Joyce bed, you know, because me a hide from police them time there, you know. Right? I don't know, say, if it see bull up on the fridge top. Right? If see the bull up on the fridge top, you know, and I feed him already, you know. I feed him before the police them come for me, you know. And when the penny see the bull up on the fridge top, you know, say the penny come over Miss Joyce. And the penny pick up push back me, they say me I hide underneath the bed. And the little girl go up on him belly and start peep up underneath the bed and say, Mommy, you can't give me peace, I bull up on the fridge. And when he say, no, I lie. He say, Mommy, me hungry. And that she say. She go up on her belly and say, Mommy. And I say, move for yourself, no man say me I hide. Mommy. Me say, move for yourself. Mommy, me hungry. Me say, friend, that day, me say, me I look for you. I say, you know, say, you go send me to prison. You, every day, me look for them, I don't know, you can't come out of my head. Me say, you, I want to go send me to prison. You, just the people, you bull up on the fridge top and me don't feel you. Me feed you till your belly shine. And me did hide now in my baggy and me blows over people, you had to hide. You understand me? And you can find me underneath the bed to come beg me piece of bulla. Hey, girl, go and go get counselor. Go and go get, me don't care what you want to say. Go and go get counselor. Me don't want you know I'm in a business on social media. If you don't want to talk and talk to people sorry for and people give for no go on. Me no business. Go and go get some type of counseling. Or go get some exorcist and get some holy water and them something. And I'm too wicked and me can't deal with that.
Anna said my father did I look him too. Remember?
Who did? Anna, you're the Anna, Wingy father, you know, and Martin grew, Anna, you know. And Martin grew, Anna, you know. And Anna come now and talk, say, Martin himself, I look her, you know.
And friend that him and now grow and kind of lie and wicked. And next now she call him and 1 year after now go ask him for money. And he don't look on her because he had to life.
Can't class away. They forgot have some pride that them say she go class red and stinking any class in my class.
Red and stop have strength for your siblings.
She didn't have strength for red and any class she class till I go class and
to stop class to baby love. Another say I'm not sorry for my dog, you know. Cause we now go turn on and bike.
Baby. Me say any class share class, tell her if you go class or roll arm. Tell her to go class or roll arm for your man arm. Tell her if you go class or man green and we have time.
I first man don't like it, so I'm afraid of river. Green arm, roll dance, go and boy business come class Zoe.
And I can't class nobody, you know.
So when I run and so when I tell walk and tell
And
you like
nobody nah beat me neither. Me nah dead for hungry. And then me a feed pan rum every morning with gas in my belly and the pan burp as me walk and the pan poop as me walk.
Wait.
Tell me laugh. Who you ever laugh with her?
No, just behave yourself.
No, but she can't. She surprised me when she drink. Every morning she wake up, she have a big spliff in her mouth with some kind of feed the baby gas in her little titty them.
But you know, she said, I didn't mash up a poor little baby.
When she walk out with her fling out time to them for 5%, me grab her up for nobody to see her test and she want to style me. When she hungry and want to talk to you, she send me go in her room to talk to you and she want to style me.
But you see, me know say social media people bias. And nobody they say come talk about oh she pregnant or oh she this and oh she that.
Anna pregnant.
Anna have one big old rum and boom cup in her and Mika, you see Anna have one rum and rum party in her hand.
Yeah, when she go in the bar and she buy the brown man come party. Me see when she buy it. Anna can't fool me, you know. Anna can't fool me.
Oh, and the real reason why she and Redance did catch up here and I fight up at my house is because Redance dash her 1 quart bottle of rum them buy like them at kids party.
The one thing that's
1 quart bottle of rum so them buy and put in a them room.
Only person
and because you don't know what goes on with she and Redance take a big bottle of rum and fling it through the window. When Anna see the bottle go come and broke and I get mad and tear off all in blues when he see the rum broke. I war in the house. Me I feel